What is a London Fog? Here's how to make one, plus the incredible and traceable backstory of the London Fog. Hey guys, welcome to Coffeeshop Vibes. I'm Mike. This is what is a London Fog and even how to make it. Plus I'm going to tell you this incredible backstory that's completely traceable on the history of the London Fog. Well, first off, there is no espresso in a London Fog, even though it's considered sometimes a latte. A London Fog is a very, very simple drink when you think about it and super easy to make. You can make it at home, even easier than you can make it at a coffee shop since you don't need an espresso machine. It is made with Earl Grey tea, and the best way to do it is with a sachet. I know there are London Fog syrups, but since Earl Grey is so widely available, I think that is by far the way to go. So you just need a sachet, one sachet of Earl Grey tea. Now, it does take a little bit longer than a latte to make because you want to steep the tea. So what you're essentially doing is steeping the tea for a minute or so and then adding milk the exact same way you would a latte. However, you're just replacing the espresso with the Earl Grey tea. So all you need to do is add probably 2 to 3 ounces of hot water, close to 200 degrees, in your cup. And then what I like to do is kind of move the tea bag around to get it kind of started and steeping. And then you want to add some vanilla. Now there are many twists on this. We make something called the spring fog, which instead of adding vanilla, we add lavender syrup, but the classic London Fog is made with 2 pumps of vanilla and the Earl Grey in the latte. So here's our vanilla syrup. I'm gonna put 2 pumps of that in here, and I'm gonna tell you the story. Again, let this steep. If you're a barista making this in a busy coffee shop, you wanna do this first, and then let this sit for about 30 seconds, then froth your milk. Now the backstory about the London Fog is it was invented at the Buckwheat Cafe in Vancouver, Canada. Hey, and by the way, if you want to learn more about coffee shops or how to make different drinks, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Steamed milk, Earl Grey tea, a couple pumps of vanilla, put it together, it's a London Fog. Again, you can do all types of flavors. I see all different types of things. We do a lavender, a spring fog instead of the vanilla. You can't really do a latte art on this one, but just pour it in, same consistency as a latte. It is a much sweeter drink, and a lot of people would enjoy this drink. Some people are scared to try it, but it is a very, very good drink. So this is a London Fog. Enjoy.